Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply fix random crashes on your computer in Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing what you can try, and this is like some of them can work, some of them won't, I don't know, you need to try a lot of things. Go to options first, go to graphics. Now turn off the VSync and change the custom frame limit to custom and change to advanced and play around with the gameplay custom frame limit. This is something what many people said in Reddit also, that when you're gonna change it to like let's say 60 or like 50 or whatever, it probably won't crash because it won't be so consuming on your computer. So test it out if it works and if it doesn't. So this is the first thing that you can do. Also disable shadows. That's another thing, disable it. That's just my recommendation. And now let's start. First thing you want to do is update your driver in a GeForce, or if you have EMD, not GeForce, update it. Check for updates. Like I can see that I need to update mine. Then just go to home, click on your details of your game. And now I'm using optimal settings, but you're gonna see it here, the using optimal one. Like I have 2080 GeForce, so it's like I have the highest things that I can have, and this is pretty much it. And now the last thing that you can try to do is when you're gonna be on task manager, but the memory, it's consuming so hard, the memory and CPU. Like for example, I have really good computer, but still my PC is burning. Maybe it's hot in the room. So click on it and change the priority to normal. This is the second thing that you can do and how you can do it. So these are the few ways what you can do and how it can improve. I hope it will help you in some way. But also, like when it's crashing for you, this is important. It's happening when someone is firing at you. So try to change, like, I don't know, particle quality, or just really play around it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.